We live in the future. We launch cars into space. Robots take care of the mundane. Even walking is out of fashion. But the way we shop is stuck in the past. We still use a system invented before the cassette tape. Slow, bulky, and insanely expensive. But what choice do we have? Making matters worse, we don't own our data, forcing retailers a fortune to engage with us. In return, we are hit with billions of ads that simply don't get us. We created Beam to end the war on data. We are building the future of retail, where all of our data belongs to us and works for us. In this future, every product and service knows its customer before it's produced, and they find us at the right time, place, and price. The result? A zero-waste economy with incredible savings for us all. It may sound like a dream. Well, over 750,000 users are already living this future today. Beam has processed over 4 million transactions to date. We are now opening the Beam platform to the world to accelerate its global scale. Let's build the future together.